Why do people pay 10 times more for the same product? Price is not just a number, it's a perception. Two products, same function, different prices. Why? Because value is not created equally, it is perceived differently. Brands don't sell products, they sell meaning. A $10 product and a $100 product can come from the same factory, but they don't feel the same. One feels cheap, the other feels premium. What changed? Not the product, the perception. Perception is built through signals, design, typography, color, spacing, photography. Every detail tells a story, and that story shapes value. Premium brands don't just look better, they feel more intentional, more focused, more confident, and confidence increases trust. Trust increases perceived value, and perceived value shapes price. This is why branding matters, because people don't pay for what something is, they pay for what it feels like. And what it feels like is never accidental. It's design.